NASA discovers second Earth-sized planet that could be habitable. In 2021, NASA has discovered a number of exoplanets that are similar in size to Earth and located in the habitable zone, where conditions could potentially be suitable for liquid water and life as we know it to exist. However, none of these exoplanets have been confirmed as being habitable, and more research and observation is needed to determine their potential for supporting life. However, recently, another planet known as TOI 700e is being tracked down by NASA. Let's dig in. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Fast Forward. In today's episode, we're going to tell you about a recent discovery of an Earth-sized planet made by NASA. So stick with us till the end of this video. In January 2020, TOI 700d, an exoplanet, was discovered by NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS. The planet is located in the habitable zone of its star, TOI 700, which is about 100 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Dorado. It is about the same size as Earth and receives about 86% of the amount of light Earth receives from the Sun. But now in 2023, scientists have found a new world that is likely made of rocks and is about 95% the size of Earth. NASA thinks that the planet TOI 700e, which orbits around a star, might have liquid water on its surface. This is the fourth planet that has been found in the 100 light-year away TOI 700 system. The names of the other planets in this system are TOI 700b, C, and D. The planets circle around the star TOI 700, but only planets D and E orbit in the star's habitable zone. The other two planets, TOI 700b and C, are located closer to the star and are not in the habitable zone. However, it's important to note that the habitability of TOI 700d is still uncertain and requires further study. Factors such as the composition of its atmosphere, its geology, and the presence of liquid water on its surface would have to be determined before it can be confirmed as habitable. A habitable zone, also called the Goldilocks zone, is an area just the right distance from a star where water can be on the surface of a planet and the temperature is neither too hot nor too cold for life. The Goldilocks zone is another name for a zone where people can live. Emily Gilbert, a postdoctoral researcher at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, said, "This is one of only a few known systems with multiple small planets in the habitable zone." Gilbert, who was in charge of the research, said that the newly found planet E is 10% more compact than planet D, even though it is the same size as Earth. Every 28 days, TOI 700e makes one trip around its star, and every 37 days, TOI 700d does the same. The planets were found when the team used the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS, to look for them. These observations were made so that more planets and stars could be found. The TESS mission lasted for 2 years. During that time, scientists were able to do surveys of solar systems and keep an eye on the brightest of stars to see if they dimmed at regular times, which happens when planets pass in front of them. This mission was finished in 2020, but TESS was given an extra year, which is when the newly discovered planet was found. Ben Horde, a graduate researcher at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, says that we could have found TOI 700e in the first year of TESS data if the star was a bit closer or the planet was a bit bigger. But because the signal was so weak, we had to observe transits for another year before we could figure out what it was. So far, the spacecraft has taken pictures of almost 75% of the sky and found 66 new exoplanets. An exoplanet is a world that is not in our solar system. It also pointed out 2,100 possible exoplanets that astronomers are now looking into to see if they are real. Gilbert says that the recent discovery of planet E shows that the satellite can help us find worlds that are smaller and smaller. There are many small, cool M-dwarf stars like TO 1700 all over the universe. In recent years, it has been found that many of these stars have exoplanets. The James Webb Space Telescope will look at the TRAPPIST-1 system and its 7 exoplanets. The planet that is closest to the star is TOI 700b, which is 90% the size of Earth and makes one trip around the star every 10 days on Earth. Then there is TOI 700c, which is almost 2.5 times the size of Earth and goes around its star once every 16 days. Both of these planets are probably tidally locked, which means that the same side is always facing the star, like how the moon always shows the same side to Earth. This is the same way. The TESS mission started in 2018, and it looks at large parts of the night sky for 27 days at a time. It focuses on the brightest stars to see how much their brightness changes. These changes in brightness are called transits, and they happen when orbiting planets pass in front of their own stars. In 2018, the mission's focus shifted from looking at the sky in the south to looking at the sky in the north. In 2020, the mission went back to the southern sky to make more observations, which led to the discovery of the fourth planet in the TOI 700 system. In the meantime, scientists are using both ground-based and space-based observatories to keep an eye on this interesting planetary system. At the same time, new information from TESS is coming in. Alison Youngblood, a research astrophysicist at Goddard and the TESS project's deputy scientist, recently said that the telescope had just finished its second year of looking at the northern sky. We can't wait to see what other interesting things are hiding in this treasure trove of data that this mission has gathered. TESS is an astrophysics explorer mission for NASA. The Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland is in charge of running the mission. The mission is run by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Northrop Grumman, whose headquarters are in Falls Church, Virginia, the NASA Ames Research Center, which is in Silicon Valley, California, the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian, MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, and the Space Telescope Science Institute, whose headquarters are in Baltimore, Maryland, are also partners. Over a dozen schools, research centers, and astronomical observatories from all over the world are taking part in this expedition. Along with the TESS mission, NASA is consistently making new discoveries through its various missions and programs. Some recent and ongoing discoveries include the Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in February 2021 and has been exploring the planet's surface and searching for signs of past microbial life. The rover has also collected rock samples that will be returned to Earth by a future mission. Also, the James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, will be able to observe some of the earliest galaxies in the universe, study the formation of stars and planets, and search for signs of life on exoplanets. This is not just it. NASA also has been working on the Parker Solar Probe, which is studying the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, and investigating the processes that heat the corona and accelerate the solar wind. The OSIRIS-REx mission, which is currently on its way back to Earth after collecting samples from the asteroid Bennu, will help scientists understand the early solar system and the origins of water and organic molecules on Earth. These are just a few examples of the many ongoing discoveries and missions that NASA is involved in today. And new discoveries are being made all the time as NASA continues to explore our solar system and the universe beyond. NASA's discoveries are so important for us as they increase our understanding of the universe and our place in it. NASA's missions and observations have led to breakthroughs in our understanding of the solar system, exoplanets, stars, galaxies, and the origins of the universe. By studying other planets and celestial bodies, scientists can learn about the potential for life beyond Earth, the formation of solar systems, and the conditions that are necessary for life to exist. NASA discoveries also have practical benefits for humanity. The technology and data generated from NASA's missions are often used in other fields, such as medicine, telecommunications, and environmental monitoring. The data and images collected by NASA's Earth-observing satellites, for example, have been used to track climate change, predict natural disasters, and manage resources. Additionally, NASA's discoveries inspire people of all ages to learn more about science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM, and to pursue careers in these fields. NASA's missions and discoveries have a way of capturing people's imagination and inspiring a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe. Overall, NASA's discoveries play a crucial role in expanding our knowledge of the universe, improving our quality of life, and inspiring future generations to continue exploring the universe. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. And if you have any views regarding this video, tell us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.